Step back in time this weekend at Beauvoir. Join us for the 38th annual Fall Muster event on October 18th through the 20th. Experience living history with battle reenactments, period camps, and the stories of those who shaped our nation. Feel the thunder of the cannon fire, see the soldiers on the battlefield, and witness history come alive. Bring your family for a weekend of learning, adventure, and Southern heritage. Explore the historic home of Jefferson Davis, his presidential library and museum, and discover the past like never before. Don't miss the 38th annual Fall Muster event at Beauvoir this weekend. For more information, please visit www.visitbeauvoir.org or the Beauvoir Facebook page.